Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're reviewing the brand new VIOFO A329S, a 4K 60fps dual-channel dash cam packed with STARVIS 2 sensors, Wi-Fi 6, and support for up to a massive 4TB SSD. This thing is a powerhouse, let's get into it. 4K 60fps front plus 2K rear recording. Up front you get 4K at 60 frames per second, giving you super smooth, ultra-clear footage. The rear camera records in 2K, so both ends of your car stay sharp and detailed day or night. Dual STARVIS 2 sensors. Both the front and rear cams use Sony STARVIS 2 sensors, which means better brightness, more detail, and more accuracy during nighttime recording or tough lighting conditions. Wi-Fi 6 for fast app transfers. With Wi-Fi 6, the A329S connects to your phone faster than older models. That means quicker previews, faster downloads, and no lag when transferring large 4K clips. Power-saving parking mode. It features a power-saving parking mode that records motion or impact while using minimal power, perfect for 24/7 protection without draining your battery. Supports 4TB SSD or 512GB microSD. One of the coolest features, this dash cam supports up to a 4TB SSD with the optional adapter, or a 512GB microSD card. That means days of footage without worrying about space. Incredibly smooth 60fps 4K video, zero blur, amazing clarity. High-end sensors on both cameras, not just the front. Huge storage support, up to 4TB means almost unlimited recording time. SSD adapter sold separately, full 4TB storage requires extra hardware. No touchscreen, buttons work fine, but a touchscreen would be more convenient. Overall, the VIOFO A329S delivers exceptional performance, smooth 4K 60fps, next-gen sensors, and massive storage support. If you want one of the best dual dash cams in 2024, this one absolutely deserves a spot on your dashboard. Check it out here. If you enjoyed this review, hit like, subscribe,